I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your phone and apps are current, because updates often fix intrusive ad frameworks. Once done, list which apps show ads and when they appear. This helps target solutions. Now enable permission controls and back up critical data before changing settings so you can restore if needed. Make sure you use official store updates rather than sideloads, and prepare a short note of ad examples to test changes immediately after each step. Next, remove permissions that let apps show ads, turn off overlays, notification access, and background data for offenders, because reducing privileges cuts ad vectors. Then open each problematic app and disable personalized ads, pop-ups, or promotional notifications in settings. After that, install a trusted ad block or DNS filtering app. Grant it only necessary VPN permission when prompted, and configure lists or block lists. Once configured, restart the phone and launch the apps to confirm ads are reduced. To finish, uninstall any app that continues serving ads despite settings changes. If you need the app, clear its cache and data or reinstall from the official store. Monitor your phone for about 72 hours to ensure ads do not return, because some ad networks reinstate after a short delay. If ads persist, run a full malware scan with a reputable scanner, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset, but back up your data first. Troubleshooting tip: if a reset fails, check for carrier or router-level ad injection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.